So now we're going to start with our question number 3, and it is a when question. Now, just like our where question, this can kind of go different ways. Remember, you're in charge, so you are going to guide where your research goes. Some examples of a when question. All of them start with the word when, just like our where questions and our who and what questions. So when was Adolf Hitler born? I could even go into when did Adolf Hitler become president of Germany. I could kind of change it depending on what I wanted. When does the bottlenose dolphins mate, eat, etc.? When does football start? When did football start? More, I'm not looking at what time of year. I'm more looking at when was it created. When did World War II start and end? I could kind of do that as a double question if I wanted to. So that's kind of what we are looking for in our when questions. Remember, your capital letters and question marks are important, and you must also keep your topic in your question. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to move it over, just like before, to our research organizer. Remember, we are only writing in our when or our question area. So I'm going to do when did World War, got to make sure and capitalize, to start and end. I'm going to actually put both, make it kind of a double question, because I feel like they're both important. And so that's why I want to make sure I have both the start and the finish dates of World War II. If you're doing a person, you can always say, when was Adolf Hitler born and when did he die? You could kind of make that a double question to have both sides of it. I know some of you guys are probably doing more recent people, so just when were they born? If you're doing someone who maybe is in a sports situation, you could also say when did they, like if I'm doing Michael Jordan, when did Michael Jordan join the Chicago Bulls? When did he retire? Things like that. You can always ask questions like that to kind of go through that. So once I have written my question, I'm going to go to my Google site. So I'm going to take a pause here and I'm going to let you write your question, pause the video, and then when you start back up, it will be reminding you how to put your page or your Google site into your Google site. Okay, now we're going to move over to our Google site. Now I'm still in my where question organizer, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to pages and I'm going to click on I'm going to go to my level 1 questions. I'm going to hover. And then I'm going to click on the triple dot menu, go to add a subpage, and I'm going to put when question, and I'm going to hit done. Then I'm going to insert slides, and it's going to open my most recent ones, which is the when one. I'm click on it once, and then it's going to say selected. I'm going to hit insert. And just like before, I'm going to make it bigger. This is more of a preference for me, but let's be nice to our teachers. We know that our teachers need it to be a little bigger to be able to read it. Now, I'm not done yet. What do I have to do? That's right. I need to hit the publish button. So I'm going to hit publish. And then I'm going to come over here and hit the publish button again. And now everything is done. If you ever question what people can see, do you guys see this button up here that says preview? It looks like a computer screen with a phone screen in the middle. I can actually click on that and see what other people are going to see on my website. I can, go to home. I can click here and then go to who, what, if you want to visually see and check to make sure it's exactly what you want, you can definitely do that. So that's what this is going to look like right now. And then when you're done, you just hit the X button and it takes you back to the editing screen. So now you have finished your level 1 when questions.